Good morning. This is Haley Perry from Loop by Loop Studio, and I wanted to do a small, short tips and tricks videos from the studio today because I want to show you how I hang my hooked rugs. It's a question I get asked often, and I use kind of two different tools to do that. So let me zone in on one of these rugs here and show you. Now the thing is, first I have to find the nail. You can see, you can't see any of the pins or nails. It's kind of a blind hanging here. That's because I've tacked right between the loops on my rug here. So you can kind of see that little sparkly silver thing in there. That is a small tack. It's just a little tiny skinny nail that I have nailed right through the loops. And I've done that maybe up on this rug probably about 4 or 5 times along the top, and then I just have done a couple along the bottom as well, just to keep it in place. And now what I do every once in a while is I just take these down and kind of rehang them from other spots, just so I'm not creating too much pressure on those little nail holes. And I take them down for shows. I bring them to shows, and then I kind of bring them back and nail them back up. And that's how I hang them on the wall. Now, my Auntie Deanne, being the innovator that she is, she clued me in that, and her followers in, that you don't really even need to use a nail that's going to create holes in the wall. So I have a whole bunch of holes here from hanging and rehanging. You can actually just use a little map tack. Let me take this out so you can see. It's literally just a small map pin with a colored head that allows you to hang and unhang, and that makes a lot less damage to your walls. So let me just put this down over here. So I've done that now, and they do have a little colored bead, but because I take these down so often, it's a lot easier for me to just make that little hole, and I can kind of hide it through the loops there. I also sometimes get black ones, and those are a little less visible. So I just wanted to share that and show you a little bit about hanging. And if you have any more questions with answers that you would like to see on my Monday's tips and tricks, just send me a little message or get in touch somehow, and hopefully I can answer those questions. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.